Reposting on LinkedIn isn't just a simple click. It's a smart strategy for amplifying your presence and engaging with your network in meaningful ways. Whether you're looking to share insightful articles, industry news, or celebrate your colleagues' achievements, mastering the art of reposting can truly elevate your LinkedIn game. Let's dive into the ultimate guide to reposting on LinkedIn so you can maximize your reach, boost your credibility, and connect with your audience like never before. First, let's clarify what reposting means on LinkedIn. Unlike some platforms where you simply hit a repost button, LinkedIn gives you options. You can share someone else's post directly to your feed, add your own commentary, or cite original content in your own post. Each method has its own advantages, and understanding these can help you choose the best approach for every situation. Begin by identifying content that resonates with you and aligns with your professional brand. This might be a thought-provoking article shared by an industry leader, a trend report from a reputable source, or even a motivational post from your network. When you find something worth sharing, click the share button beneath the post. You'll be presented with several choices: share directly or share with thoughts, to add your own insights. Adding your perspective is key. It shows your audience why the content matters and how it relates to your experience or expertise. This not only sparks engagement, but positions you as a thoughtful contributor in your field. Timing matters. Consider when your audience is most active on LinkedIn. Typically, weekday mornings are prime time. Sharing at the right moment increases visibility, giving your repost the best chance to reach a wider audience. And don't forget to use relevant hashtags. Hashtags categorize your repost, making it discoverable to users interested in those topics. Select 2 or 3 targeted hashtags that reflect the content of your post. This small step can make a significant difference in reach. Tagging is another powerful tactic. If you're reposting content from a colleague, company, or influencer, tag them in your share. This not only gives credit to the original creator, but also encourages engagement from them and their network. It's a simple way to build relationships and trust within your professional community. When reposting, always respect intellectual property. Make sure the original post is public and that you're not sharing confidential or sensitive information. If the content is from an external site, include the source and give proper attribution. Transparency and respect for others' work are essential for building a reputable online presence. Beyond sharing posts, you can also repost articles, videos, or links from outside LinkedIn. To do this, craft a new post and include the external link. Then add your own commentary. Explain why the information is relevant, how it impacts your industry, or what action you recommend. This approach allows you to curate valuable resources for your network, positioning yourself as a go-to source for useful content. Reposting isn't just about broadcasting information, it's about sparking conversations. After sharing, monitor your post for comments and reactions. Engage with your audience by responding to questions, thanking commenters, and continuing the dialogue. This ongoing interaction boosts your post's visibility in the LinkedIn algorithm and strengthens your professional relationships. Consistency is crucial. Make reposting a regular part of your LinkedIn strategy, but balance it with original content. Sharing a mix of posts demonstrates that you're active, informed, and engaged with your field. Over time, you'll build authority and attract more followers who value your perspective. Famety is here to support you every step of the way. With our expertise in social media growth, we help you expand your reach, boost engagement, and make the most of every repost. Whether you're growing your followers, increasing your likes, or optimizing your LinkedIn strategy, Famety has the tools and support you need to shine. Start reposting today and watch your LinkedIn influence soar.